Hello and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Lex, and today we're going to talk about the method that I use to make over 1,500 euros per month completely passively. Let's get into it. Now, this method of passive income does not involve you creating an online store, a dropshipping store, or selling on Amazon, or affiliates, or real estate, or any of the means that you could be accustomed to. Instead, we are talking about crypto. If you already have some crypto, this is the video for you because I'm going to show you how to use it the best to your advantage to make some passive income. And it's actually quite simple, but first I have to explain what staking actually is. Staking is essentially mining 2.0. Now, most of you are familiar with mining Bitcoin, which involves you buying a computer, buying an expensive graphics card, creating the setup, actually running the blockchain, and therefore mining Bitcoin. Staking is like the new version of that, where you don't actually need the hardware. All you need to do is delegate your stake to the network, which helps secure the network and decentralize it, and therefore you get a small reward for delegating your stake. It's easier, it's faster, and it's a lot more energy efficient. Now, if you know, some of the controversies around Bitcoin is that it's very harmful to the environment because of these mining activities, which require a lot of electricity and a lot of power. The solution that has been proposed by newer blockchains is to do staking, which requires no additional electricity and does not generate any unnecessary costs to the environment or to yourself. All you need to do is to have your own crypto. For example, Ethereum is one of those which will be able to be staked with Ethereum 2.0, where you essentially just delegate your stake to the network, which helps secure the network, and therefore you earn rewards for that delegation. Most new layer 1 cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and now Cardano, Polkadot, Avalanche, Solana, all of these cryptocurrencies now are moving towards staking instead of mining. And with staking, you can actually generate somewhere between 4 to 15% on average of rewards per year, which are paid to you in tokens. Now, the benefit of you getting paid in tokens is that usually the tokens themselves also appreciate. So in reality, you are earning much more than those 5 to 15% when you flip that into dollar value. I will personally show you an example of how this works when we go to our computer in a bit. Okay guys, let's look at our example here where I've got an Excel sheet open where I've prepared to explain exactly how this works and how you're actually earning more than the 5 to 15% that you earn in tokens. So let's imagine that you've bought Ethereum. Now you've bought 0.3 ETH at a price of 3,500 euros, which is roughly the current price of ETH, which means that your holdings are worth about 1,050 euros. Currently, if you stake in ETH 2.0, that means you'll get about 5% APY, which is annualized percentage yield. 5% per year on 0.3 ETH means that you will get 0.015 ETH per year in tokens. If the price remains the same, that would mean that your rewards would be equal to 52.5 euros per year. Like we all know, cryptocurrencies, at least currently, tend to appreciate. In reality, this 0.015 ETH that you've earned is not going to be worth 52.5 euros, but is actually going to be worth more. And what you need to consider here is that in this example, I'm only compounding once per year, but in reality, most platforms pay you interest either daily or weekly. You earn interest on the interest that is also paid each week or each day. Therefore, you are earning interest on the interest as well. Now, obviously, shorter compounding periods are better than longer ones. So if you can compound your interest daily, it's much better than compounding it yearly because, like I said, you can earn interest on the interest itself. Let's take a look at our rewards and the price of those rewards if ETH actually appreciates in 2022 or in the future in general. So we have the same staking reward that we've earned in 2022, but if the price of ETH continues upwards and reaches 4,500 euros, then our staking reward is not going to be worth 52.5, but actually would be worth 67.5, which means that on our initial investment, we would have had a return on euro amount of about 6%. 10% instead of the 5% which is given in tokens. So you can see the difference that you're paid 5% in tokens, but potentially that 5% in tokens is actually much more in dollar or euro amount as the token appreciates. Now, if we take a look at a price of 6,500, which is something honestly quite realistic that ETH could reach that in the next year, which is 2022. The value of your rewards is now 97.5 euros. And on your initial investment of 1,050 euros, that is now 9% of that amount. If ETH happens to reach 10,000 or 20,000 euros somewhere in the future, that could be 5 years from now, it could be 20 years from now, it could be never, you don't know. That's why it's risky. Crypto is risky. Potentially, your staking reward would be worth 150 euros, which is 14% on your initial investment, or 300 euros, which is 29% on your initial investment. Now, this is a very, very simple example. You can see how the ability to earn passive income in crypto is insane right now. Some cryptos pay up to 100% or more in tokens when you actually stake what you already own. Now, these cryptos are typically highly risky, so staking that could mean that you would actually lose your whole amount. But if you stake established cryptos like Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, Solana, you could be earning quite a bit on your dollar amount. Personally, I think this is one of the biggest passive income hacks of the last few decades, and I think that everybody should be taking advantage of this opportunity. Like I said again, if you have crypto, you stake it, you earn rewards paid out in crypto daily or weekly. And as time goes on, you earn more and more rewards. You earn interest on your interest as well. While earning, the price of the asset increases in value as well. So at the end, in dollar amounts, you are earning much more than the advertised 5 to 15%. There are some cases of people earning several multiples of their initial investment over the course of a few years just because they started early while the staking rewards were high. Now, as time goes by and people stake more and more, those rewards will come down to more single-digit levels. But that is where managing risk comes in again. You can stake in safer assets, earn less passive income, or you can choose to do it in more risky assets and potentially earn much more percentage-wise tokens, but be at a bigger risk. Now, that is again something for you to decide. What I would personally advise is that you keep the main thing. Keep Bitcoin and Ethereum, stake Ethereum and Bitcoin. While that cannot be staked, there are some opportunities for you to earn passive income on your Bitcoin, and I will explain those as well. But that basically involves loaning out your Bitcoin to a platform which then pays you a percentage of the interest earned on your Bitcoin back in Bitcoin amounts as well. Now, allow me to show you how to actually stake your crypto, and I will show you how to do that on two platforms. Kraken, which we used in our previous video to buy crypto, and also Binance, which I personally use and is one of the most popular exchanges. Let's do that. Okay guys, so now we've logged on to the Kraken exchange website where we can stake our crypto, and I will show you exactly how to do that. Now, unfortunately, Kraken does not allow you to stake from the app or from the Kraken Pro app, but you can do that from a browser and a computer. Let's do that. So you go to Earn, up here in the blue ribbon, and from here you will be able to see all the different reward percentages for each of the cryptocurrencies that Kraken allows you to stake. And we can see here that they give us a 12% APY on Polkadot, 18 on Kusama, 23 on Kava, etc., etc., etc. But we are interested in Ethereum because that's the crypto that we hold. We can see that Kraken is giving us 4 to 7% APY paid out in Ethereum. So I'll go to stake and I will select the Ethereum asset, which is the one that I have. And then I will click, I want to stake the whole amount, which is 100% of my ETH. And here we have a disclaimer that staked ETH will be locked until Ethereum 2.0 actually comes out. Now, this applies only to Ethereum, but essentially we are waiting for ETH to be upgraded to ETH 2.0, which would then unlock staking, because currently it is using a mining protocol instead of staking. But we can stake in Ethereum 2.0 from now, we just need to lock up our coins. If you stake Polkadot or Kusama or any other crypto, you will not have to lock up your coins like this, and you will be able to redeem your coins pretty much immediately. Let's stake our Ethereum here. Continue. And I accept. Yes, I do. There we go, staking successful. We can stake our Bitcoin as well, but I will not be doing that because I actually will move it to a platform which pays me much more than 0.25 APR. Celsius, for example, that I will show you later, pays 6% on Bitcoin. We can see the transaction down here that we are staking Ethereum 2.0, this amount, and the staking is already initiated. Now we should be able to see the value of our staking income on this side of the table, but yeah, let's hop onto Binance and do that. Okay guys, so I have my phone here and I will show you exactly how to stake on Binance as well. So you go to the Binance app, obviously, and down here in wallet on the lower right corner, then you will see overview, spot, funding, margin, all these different options that you have. You have to go to earn, and from there you will have to click subscribe to earn. Now I want to stake my ADA. I have some ADA, so I come here to the search coin list and either type ADA or find it from the list here. And here are the options that I have for staking ADA. I want to earn the maximum that I can in this case, so I'll pick 60 days, and I have 100 ADA available, so just click max to stake that. I have read and I agree with the Binance agreement. Okay, it shows me down here that I will earn for the period an estimated of 1.28 ADA, which is 7.79% APY, and I just click confirm. Okay, so I've locked my ADA for 60 days on Binance to earn some passive income. Then I'll go back to my wallet and I should be able to see my ADA. Here it is, my locked ADA, and it should start earning interest every day, which I can restake or I can sell. It's literally that simple. Now, if you have Bitcoin and you want to earn some passive income on that, you cannot stake Bitcoin, but you can put your Bitcoin in one of these lending platforms like Celsius or BlockFi. In this case, I will show you Celsius. So let's go to the Celsius app now, and I'll open it, and this is the dashboard. Here you can see the different types of coins that they have on offer and the different amount of passive APY that you can earn when you deposit the coins in your account. Ethereum, they're offering 5.35%, which is actually quite good. And when you go to Bitcoin, you can see that they're offering basically 6.2% for anything up to 0.25 Bitcoin. And for the rest, you will get 3%. This interest is paid weekly here, and you can see all the rewards that I've earned. What you do is you basically click here to receive coins, and then you choose the coin that you're gonna send to this wallet. For example, if you're sending USDC, then you need to copy this wallet and paste it in your withdrawal address. They're offering actually very good rates also on stable coins, which is, you can see here in USD coin, they're offering 8.2%. You can earn both in the actual coin itself, or you can earn in the Celsius token, which provides additional benefits if you're using the platform a lot, but is also something that tends to appreciate over time as well. Now, if you want to use Celsius like I do, I will leave a link in the description below, where if you deposit $400 or more of crypto, then you will get an additional $50 of Bitcoin as a bonus. And who doesn't like free Bitcoin? So grab the bonus while you can. Okay guys, so I've just shown you how to earn passive income with your crypto. It's really, really simple. All you need to do is just stake it and earn. Now, as you know, we are long-term investors on this channel. So what I like to do, while everyone likes to pretend they're a big smart-ass trader, me, myself, I avoid trading. What I do is just I stake and restake my crypto to earn as much passive income as possible and multiply that over each and every month. So far that has been doing really well for me, and like I said, I've been earning 1,500 euros per month for the last few months, and I'm very happy with that. This is how I do it. I showed you how to do it. Now it's your turn to do it instead and earn yourself some passive income. Now obviously, once you earn your staking rewards, you can either sell those and just take your money, or you can restake for more rewards if you believe in that project. Personally, I keep restaking the coins that I have. Some of those I will be selling, but most of those I will be keeping. And of course, that is up to you and your strategy, but that is how you do it. That's it. Remember, if you have some Bitcoin and you want to earn passive income on that, use the link below to open a Celsius account and get $50 worth of free Bitcoin. Now that is it for this video. I really hope you have gained some value in watching this, and I hope I have helped you learn more about creating passive income with your crypto. If I have, I would really appreciate a like, because it helps out the YouTube algorithm and it helps more people to see this video and potentially earn income themselves. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.